Good morning, How to Heaven fans. Today we're going to be working on the side marker lights on my Porsche 996. So stay tuned for more. Now, why am I on a ladder? Because my car is in the air. So why don't you just lower your car?
I will.
So why was I on a ladder? Because my car is up in the air. And why is it up in the air? So I can walk underneath it. Anyway, let's lower this baby and get started. So this is about the right height to work on my car. And what I'm doing today is we're going to remove this and we're going to replace it with these. These are side marker lights that I got on eBay. And because it's a Porsche, they're not cheap. If this was a Toyota or a Mazda or even a Subaru, these probably would have been about $25. But because they're for a Porsche, they're about $45. So here's what we're replacing today. I'll show you the driver's side. And as you noticed on the car, they were amber. But here, this one is clear. It's an LED light. It plugs right into the light bulb on the 911, and it's got this little snap. So it's pretty simple. You pull this out, take these two ears out that way, and pop the new one in. So let's do it. Here we go. Here's the light. Pop it out. Take this bulb. Huh, that's interesting. It's got a connection here, kind of like a fuel injector. Just push that little tab down and you're able to pull this out. Now, is that what we want? No, we actually want this bulb out. This is where we're going to make our connection. And so we're going to pull this little T5 bulb out and we'll get the new one. Put it in. So here again is our new light, and we're simply going to plug this fuel injector connector in, and then we're going to plug it into this once more. Should actually snap into place. Only goes in one direction. So we push it in. Heard that snap? Here we go. We should be good to test it. So there it is, and now we'll turn the lights on. Actually, before we turn the lights on, let's snap this in place. That's all there is to it. Removing the plastic protective wrap. There we go. Now, let's see what she looks like. And there you have it. Looks like a laser. Pretty nice looking. And as usual, we're going to wrap the old light in the same plastic that the new light came in so we can store them original parts. So here's the before shot. And once again, here's how you replace them. Pull that out. And like I said, well, we're just gonna pull this connector out. Or just twist it. Then you can just pull the light bulb out. Plugging in our new light. And there's a black and a red, brown and a white. Brown is ground, black is ground. That should be all there is to it. You push this in, tuck it in, get that in there like that. And we're gonna remove the plastic this time, right away. Tuck it into place. And we're done. Let's test it out. One of the simplest mods you can make. There you have it. Porsche 996 side marker lamps installed. If they don't come on when you first install them, flip the plug and everything will be fine because these are LEDs. So they're polarized. Just pull it out, plug it in 180 degrees off, and you'll be fine. It does come with instructions, but it's so simple, why bother? Final step, take your old lights, put them back in the plastic, drop them in the box with your instructions if you like. Close this sucker up and label it. Have a How to Heaven day. Thanks for watching.